always loved doing fashion pictorials because I get to experiment on my looks. I enjoy seeing myself in different clothes and outfits. Plus, nag-iiba na rin ang hairstyles and makeup ko. So, nagiging distinct ang itsura ko sa bawat layout. I'm glad to have my fabulous glam team who makes me beautiful. And of course, my photographer takes really great shots. I know I'm in good hands. Thanks to them.
For the next one is back to school, so the collection is more structured. We changed her hair actually to a more straight look, and then we had very, very intense eyes. And then for some of it, we used red lipstick. For Sarah's eyes, since she has very deep set eyes, I used a lot of browns, and then we used a lot of mascara, and then we used also a shade of gold under her eyes.
Si Miss Jella, na-amaze ako. Buntis pa siya. 7 months pregnant natin si Miss Jella. Pero yun, nag-work pa rin. Laurel sila. Pero napaka-humble. At saka approachable. Cowboy, alam mo yung ganda-gandang babae. Pero yung humor niya, sense of humor niya nandoon. So hanggang katrabaho ni Miss Jella. At saka bait. At saka ang galing. Ang galing. Si Nante, very cool. Yan yung ka-vibes kami niyan sa music. Saka ano din yan si Nante. Very cooperative. Yung pagka may sinabi ka na, paano mo, pwede pakitago naman itong ganyan-ganyan. Ano siya, game siya. Game siya, always ready to listen. At saka accept kung ano yung mga ikagaganda pa ng work niya. Yeah.
Straight hair, ganyan. We have to make them look confident. As in, si Sarah, yun naman talaga siya, confident.
The second story is very collegiate. It's in tune with her back-to-school collection. So we made Sarah look a little more covered up and then a lot more... It's back to school, but it feels a lot more mature. Very European vibe.
Seldom lang kami nagkakatrabaho ni Miss Pam. Pero yun, fan ako ni Miss Pam Quiñones, si Miss Liz Uy. Lahat ng mga stylists na nakakatrabaho ko, fan ako. At I'm very, very lucky to have them sa entourage namin, sa grupo namin.
Good, Sarah. Hold it. You just... Nice.
Yung blue na printed siya na dress. Ganda ng color. Royal blue daw, sabi ni Ate Melay. Pan right, please. Ayun. So, yun. Sobrang, gusto ko yung blue na yun.
Go.
Whatever accessories and hair and makeup we agreed on to put for the shoot, we made sure that it's for the entire look and that the outfits will still shine, will still be the focus, the main focus of attention.
Medyo mas edgy, mas dramatic, mas bold yung colors, like reds, greens, and blues. Yung makeup mas stronger, red lipstick, para mas dramatic yung dating. Para hindi yung normal na back-to-school wacky, ganun. This time around, parang we went to the mas subtle expressions na parang downtime, ganyan. Parang relax lang siya, which defines the clothes na parang super relaxed. So, ganun yung mood.
Thank you. Thanks. The hallway type of
What I really liked in the second story was when we put the red hat on her with a clutch, parang it felt like parang she was in Paris. So that was nice.
Since maraming magagandang structures dito and like, gusto namin pakita yung school effect niya, pero not too school naman na parang medyo kulong. So, gusto namin, may nature pa rin siya.
There.
May hallway doon na puro mga poste na decrepit, medyo luma, cracks, ganyan. Yun yung mga gusto kong texture. So yun yung mga favorite ng layout.
Actually, one of my favorites is yung naglalakad siya. Yung naka-red lip siya with a gray top. The one where she looks like she's Parisian. So, I like that because of the detail and the rustic feel.
Face angle towards the light. Oh, look away, look at the light. There. Yeah. There.
Day effect, yeah. Kahit yung dramatic, day effect pa rin. Para hindi masyadong madilim yung yung photos.
Yung pegs na binigay namin sa kanila, nakuha nila. Although, parang nilagyan nila ng twist of their own.
Thank you. Appreciate it.